how are you? Good morning. Today's video is about how to use aloe vera as an overnight moisturizer. Here is how the fresh aloe vera stalk looks like. So what do we do is cut open the stalk and we'll apply to your face. I'll show you how to cut it. Cut a small portion. One big stalk will be enough for you, like for 1 week, more than 1.5 weeks. I cut it into small pieces. Now cut it into half to get the gel inside. There we go. You can see the gel. This is the gel we'll be using. So let's see how to apply this. So after cutting, aloe vera looks like this. So before applying aloe vera as a moisturizer, let's see what are the benefits of using aloe vera as overnight moisturizer. In summer especially, it treats sunburn, it fights aging because it has beta carotene and vitamin C and vitamin E in it. And it's very cooling on the skin, especially in the summer when it's very too hot. It's very cooling on the skin. So let's see how to apply it. Wash your face with a nice cleanser or whatever cleanser you are using, that should be fine. Take a piece like this and just rub it on your skin. Oh, it feels so cooling. Massage it for 10 seconds. It doesn't cause any damage, guys, by leaving it overnight. Don't worry about anything and just leave it overnight. It's so good for your skin. I can see that my skin has become smooth by using this. That's it. It needs 5 to 10 minutes to cool it down and disappear into the skin. Just massage it a little bit if you want. Even if you don't do anything, it will disappear into the skin after 5 to 10 minutes. You will feel like you have not applied anything. Use natural products, guys, to give overnight moisturizing or something like that, to give his skin a break from the harsh chemicals present in the creams. This is a good alternative. Once in a while, just do it for a week. Give your skin break from everything chemicals and let it detox, and you'll be good to go in the next week. Especially before some party or anything, just do it for a week and see how amazing your skin feels. It really moisturizes the skin and gives it hydration. Your skin will feel soft and plumpy. I hope you will try this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot to make better videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me. Go and sleep with your mask on and be beautiful tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.